And now, your First Alert 5 weather.
And as advertised, it was a nice and sunny and warm Easter Sunday. Hopefully you had a chance to get outside and enjoy it, maybe in a wind-protected area, because if you were in an open field, maybe to do that Easter egg hunt, you were likely getting blown around by those wind gusts. They were very strong at times today, but that northwest wind bringing a big boost in temperatures. Highs today into the 70s, and they were about 15 to 20 degrees warmer than what we saw yesterday. Unfortunately, still dealing with the downside of that downslope wind. High fire danger, red flag warnings in effect until 8 o'clock tonight. Then as we look ahead to tomorrow, less fire weather concerns. That's mostly going to shift down across the southern borders, the southeastern mountains and adjacent valleys. But we are watching 2 more days with a critical fire weather threat. That comes in on Tuesday and Friday of the upcoming week. Right now, we're seeing a mix of sun and clouds, mild temperatures at 71 degrees. Wind beginning to die down just a bit in the Springs and Pueblo, but still rather strong here at 29 miles per hour. Look at the flags blowing around out of the Riverwalk. Wind gusts, by the way, in that area up over 40 to even 45 miles per hour. For Monument, fairly protected from the wind here. Outside temperature 59, humidity at 20%. We do have a weak disturbance that moves through the area tonight. Rain across the northeastern plains and a few light snow showers, but high pressure builds in behind an overnight cold front. That is going to bring us clear skies again on Monday, and again a little bit of a calmer forecast, especially for those of us here into the Pikes Peak region and down into Pueblo County and the Arkansas River Valley. So take a look at the hour-by-hour forecast. Temperatures drop around 5 to 10 degrees from what we saw today, and unfortunately no sign of rain or snow over the next 24 hours. Now there still will be some wind to contend with, but the key factor here is that the direction changes. Notice these lines, the contours. It shows the wind flowing pretty much from the south up to the north. Farther east, it's more of an east-southeast wind. This does bring in a little better moisture, so humidity values should be high enough in these areas to keep away the red flags, but the spots we're concerned with would be down across the southern I-25 corridor, areas off to the west. That's those red flag warnings. Tomorrow, they're much more limited from noon to 8 p.m. And then already seeing a fire weather watch issued for much more of a widespread region as we make our way into Tuesday afternoon. Lows tonight, they'll be chilly, but fairly seasonal for this time of the year. 34 in the Springs, 35 in Pueblo, down below freezing Woodland Park to Monument. Your highs tomorrow, nice and mild mix of 60s and 70s all across the News 5 viewing area. And in the Springs, unfortunately, Andy, it is a forecast dominated by these high fire weather conditions and periods of breezy to gusty winds. Again, Tuesday to Wednesday and Friday, the days that I'm most concerned with for now. And then look, that is a symbol or a signal of maybe a pattern change on Saturday. Here's my latest thoughts on that weekend storm. Unfortunately, storm is trending a little farther north with the models this afternoon. Mountain snow, I think, is likely, but usually this would be a drier solution.